Hello, today we will guide you through how to change the name in Outlook Mail. To begin, open the Microsoft Outlook software on your device. Make sure the application is fully loaded before moving on, so all your folders and messages appear correctly. This process is straightforward, but it helps to go slowly so you can easily find each option. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left navigation area and click on Inbox. This will bring you to your main list of emails. If your inbox is already open, that's fine. You can simply stay on that screen and continue to the next part. Now click on a sample message from your inbox. The goal here is to open an email so you can access the sender details area where your profile name can be selected. Any message that shows the relevant information should work for this step. After the email opens, look below the sender email and click on your profile name. This is the section that usually opens a profile or account-related panel. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the name area and not another link or message option. Next, click on Update Your Profile. This will take you out of the email view and into your account profile settings, where personal information such as your display name can be managed. Depending on your internet speed or system performance, this page may take a few moments to open. At this point, wait for the loading to finish. It's important to let the page fully load so all profile options are visible and clickable. If things seem slow, give it an extra few seconds rather than clicking multiple times. Once the profile page is ready, look under Your Info section and click on Edit Name. This is the option that allows you to change the name associated with your Outlook profile. In many cases, this name is what people see when they receive emails from you. Now enter your new name in the available fields. Be sure to type it exactly the way you want it to appear. If there are separate first name and last name fields, fill in each one carefully. It's a good idea to quickly review the spelling before saving your changes. When you're finished, click on Save. This confirms the update and applies the new name to your profile. Keep in mind that changes may not appear everywhere instantly, so if you don't see the update right away, give it a little time to sync. That's it. You've successfully changed the name in Outlook Mail.